Jake Boyd here with Guarantee RV Supercenters in Junction City. I'm excited to talk to you about some of the features of this Coachmen Apex Nano 191 RBS. What you notice right off the beginning is that it has a big front window. It's a little bit of a rarity. There are very few models you're actually going to find a big front window so that you actually get a lot of light. It's a small floor plan, 19 feet 2 inches, and it packs in quite a bit inside. So if you just walk around, we'll walk through some of the features here. Your big pass-through storage, it's really wide to accommodate, say, folding chairs and a lot of other stuff you need to fit down there. And it goes straight through too. And there's a light you can click on inside as well. There's solar on the side, you may have noticed right there. It's a plug and play, so really easy to actually add solar to your rig so you're charging your batteries to keep you going in the long run. There's a big awning so you can make as much use as the outdoor space as the indoor space, and some outdoor speakers with some lights on them too. So you can play inside and you can play outside and really enjoy your time while you're camping here. So let's step inside here. 19-foot floor plan, feels a lot bigger inside. So really smart choices here for the 2019s. Really bright, nice clean colors here too. So with the light that does come in, it stays in. You have your big queen walk around bed. It's a stationary walk around bed, and you have your shelving and your closet space on either side of the bed here too, which is really nice. So a lot of space here for storage up top as well, and it passes through all the way to the cap and all the way through. This is one conjoined space, so it offers you a lot of ability to fit a lot of stuff in there too. You have your hookups for your television, and this wall is ready to receive a backer and an articulating arm, so that you can move that television around and see it from anywhere in the trailer. You have here a double basin sink. It's a nice big double basin sink too, which is super smart. And what they do in Apexes is they're offering you a really lightweight package and making it small, but they're still making it really useful. You have a 2-burner stove and a microwave, and you still have storage up top and below. And some nice drawers too, and some nice glides as well. It's a really low profile trailer too, so it's keeping down the wind resistance and making it a really easy pull down the road. But you still, in this 19-foot floor plan, have a really nice slide out here. You have a really nice kind of clean colors for the booth dinette. And you also have storage underneath here as well. So you still have access to a little bit more room beyond what's underneath the bed, beyond what's over the bed, beyond what's beside the bed, and around you as well. And you still have pantry space beyond that too. So each one of these pantry spaces is really deep. A lot of stuff can fit in there. A lot of food and a lot of gear. You have your full-size fridge as well. You have the freezer plus the large fridge space as well, which is really, really nice. Plus, up top, extra storage space. They're not letting you get away with not taking everything you want with you as well. Now in the bathroom, you have a really nice closet space and storage space here for anything that's foldable. A lot of hanging clothes space as well. It's in addition to everything that's beside the bed. Plus, you have a really nice big shower here as well, and a really nice skylight that's going to keep everything bright. So if you have any questions about this trailer or anything else we have on lot here in Junction City, give me a call at 773-655-7190 or stop by my lot and say hello.